Hello viewers, welcome to Harika's Home Cooking. Today we are going to see how to make chicken pakoda in street style. So without any ado, let's go into the recipe. I have taken the cleaned chicken. This is around 1 kg chicken and I'm adding ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 stem of curry leaves chopped finely, and I'm using around half lemon. That was around half lemon. If it is big size, use half lemon, and if it is small size, you can use one whole lemon. Then I'm using crushed red pepper. This is red pepper flakes, red chili flakes. And then I'm using paprika powder for good color. I'm not using any color here. This is the paprika powder, which is safe to use. Then I'm going for the next ingredient, that is pepper, black pepper. I'm using it's like half tablespoon. Then I'm adding salt according to your taste. Then I'm adding garam masala, and this is dhaniya powder and a little bit of jeera powder. Then I'm adding curd. This is homemade curd, and I'm adding around 3 tablespoons of homemade curd, and then give it a good mix and put it in the refrigerator well. And I kept in the refrigerator for minimum 4 to 5 hours. So by adding this lemon for marination, it makes your chicken tender and it tastes very soft when you eat. So this is after 5 hours. I have taken it from the refrigerator, taken it out. Then as you have seen, I can see some water releasing out from the yogurt. So I have trashed all those yogurt water from it, and then I'm adding 3 tablespoons of besan, which is also called as chickpea flour, and I'm also adding 3 tablespoons of rice flour. So I don't want any excess water in it, so that's the reason I have taken the water out. So after mixing this, I felt like I need some little bit of water to help to mix the flours in the chicken all together. So I just add a very little, as you have seen, and mix it well. So now I am starting to put the chicken in the oil. So I made this oil preheat and medium flame, and don't put it in the high flame. When you cook, the chicken will be raw inside and it will burn on the outside. So don't put it in the high flame. So put the flame in medium to low, around number 6 to 8, and just cook it until the chicken is well cooked from inside and as golden brown and crispy. This chicken pakoda just tastes amazing. Please do try this once. You will never skip doing it again. This just tastes like the street pakoda which you eat on the street sides. I love these kind of pakodas. After coming to US, I never find these kind of pakodas in any restaurant. So this pakoda tastes good only with bone in. You can also give it a try without bone if you don't prefer with bone, but do try if you eat bone with bone in. It just tastes amazing. So this is my pakoda. It's ready to take it out from the oil. So in the marination process, as I have told you, by adding the lemon and marinating for such a long time, the chicken tastes very soft and juicy. So don't skip adding lemon and yogurt. These both gives your chicken very soft texture. And If I added 3 tablespoons, if you feel you need more besan in it, you can just add for more crispiness. You need to add rice flour for crispiness. So I'm putting my next batch. So my pakodas are ready now to munch. I'm enjoying them. Please do try them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.